Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Doss. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another unboxing video featuring the homie legendary Posh right here, or aka Jordan. Y'all already know. And boom, we got the PS5 right here. The box is a little messed up, but we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing anyway because he just could not wait to open it. It was my fault because I was kind of late anyway, but stood in line for what, about 7 hours for this today, right here.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Legendary Boss. Today we got the PlayStation 5 and we're going to be doing an unwrapping video for you guys. You know you guys wanted to make sure you click subscribe, like, comment, praise the YouTube algorithm god. Let's get on with the video. Alright, so let's just take a moment to look at the box here. Now the box is emphasizing just how big this monstrosity really is, okay? This is not your average PlayStation controller right there, really clean packaging. You already know Sony at its best, peak performance. So we're just gonna get straight on to the top right here. So we got, that is the power cord. So we got the power cord right there on the top, right there. Put that right there for now. And I think this is the controller. Yep. So we got the controller. Let's take a moment to look at this. The controller deserves its own video. That's nice. See the haptic feedback in the PlayStation 5? That's what puts it above all others. And then this is the cord for the controller right there. Just a USB-C port. Okay, then we got the stand. Now this stand lets you switch in between horizontal mode and then vertical mode if it's like that. Got the HDMI cord, your standard HDMI. This is what makes your games look good. There it is, boys. Bag secured. Okay. So we're actually gonna have to sit this down on the table to be able to take this out. Ready? About to unopen it. We're about to unwrap it. So that's it, guys. You can play your games in HDR, 4K, 8K. You already know you got that haptic feedback. You're gonna feel that trigger when you're playing games, man. You're gonna really get into it. You got the 3D sound on the headset if you got that. This is next gen gaming, and guess what? It's also gonna cost you until your next generation. Okay, so let's go. Let's go, man. You already know.
And that's it.